Olá, gente, continuando nas nossas videoaulas, estamos agora indo para a parte 2 dos nossos 200 verbos, mas é da terceira coluna. Então, eu ainda vou estar falando o have mais o past participle e o had mais o past participle. Muito bem? Vamos para o número 51 agora. Have learnt. Had learnt. Have changed. Had changed. Have forgiven. Had forgiven. Have understood. Had understood. Have watched. Had watched. Have followed. Had followed. Have stopped. Had stopped. Have forgotten. Had forgotten. Have spoken. Had spoken. Have read. Had read. Have spent. Had spent. Had worn. Have worn. Have opened. Had opened. Have walked. Had walked. Have won. Had won. Have taught. Had taught. Have loved. Had loved. Have remembered. Had remembered. Have liked. Had liked. Have hated. Had hated. Have closed. Had closed. Have studied. Had studied. Have died. Had died. Have sent. Had sent. Have shown. Had shown. Have stayed. Had stayed. Have fallen. Had fallen. Have cut. Had cut. Have cleaned. Had cleaned. Have killed. Had killed. Have listened to. Had listened to. Have answered. Had answered. Have sold. Had sold. Have started. Had started. Have finished. Had finished. Have explained. Had explained. Have hoped. Had hoped. Have developed. Had developed. Have carried. Had carried. Have washed. Had washed. Have received. Had received. Have agreed. Had agreed. Have pushed. Had pushed. Have pulled. Had pulled. Have cooked. Had cooked. Have talked to. Had talked to. Have looked at. Had looked at. Have caught. Had caught. Have drone. Had drawn. Have chosen. Had chosen. Só no número 99 eu cometi um erro. É drawn, tá? Então é have drawn, had drawn. E número 100, have chosen, had chosen. Muito bem? Até a próxima videoaula.